Hello, so just arrived in Windermere. It's cost £5.20 on the train to get the bikes here. So as you can see in the background. Yeah, we've just stopped off here now. Water's Edge Inn. I'm just getting some pictures of the bikes and that. Can't really beat the views. Heading to the campsite. What's the campsite called?
It's called Rydal.
Rydal Hall. So we're camping at Rydal Hall tonight for 2 nights. With Cozy this week again on the Trek Excalibur 8. Keep forgetting what yours is. So I bought some new toys, so I'll be going through them. Starting with Cozy's. So he's gone for the Toe Peak shrunk bag. And he's got an iPad up there for nav. Same bags on the back as last time. Same bags on the front.
Yeah, just different bed and stuff this time.
Different bed, so we'll show the camp setups later on. I've not really changed anything, apart from I'm travelling in style this time. I brought myself a chair. So from OEX, I've got a chair. And I think that's it. Chair and a new jacket and some food, because we didn't eat last time. But can't argue with that, apart from that noise you get. Definitely catching.
I think it's fucking jumping, not probably you fucking eat. Put some tape on it.
It's not the, it's the actual bag.
Oh, that sounds like it broke.
It's come off.
Is that what it is?
Yeah. I thought it was like sounded like a motorbike.
Put some tape on that.
Oh, I'll leave when we get there. It's not the actual zip, it's the actual bag.
Steel to steel. It's gonna work.
Yeah. Love a bit of drama. Anything for the content. Ah, that's better. It's not catching there. So it's a mile.
0.8.
Well, so we've done 0.2.
6 minutes.
Oh, that's a puncture. So set up campsite. We've both got OEX tents. I've got the Fox 2, Cozy's got the Bobcat 1. I've gone complete OEX mad. So I've got the OEX jacket, as you can see. Inside, starting at this end. So I've got the OEX Traverse pillow, the OEX Thermalite 8. Sleeping bag is the OEX Fathom EV400. Underneath that, got the OEX Traverse sleeping mat, term rest, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, that's pretty much home for the next 2 nights. Obviously I've got all my gear here. I've got me cooking equipment which is out there, which is also OEX. Funnily enough, the pots, pans, stove, everything, even the igniter, that's also OEX. So yeah, that's pretty much me gone OEX mad at Go Outdoors. So yeah, we're gonna go down to the pub, to the Badger, I think it's called, get some to eat, and then we're going to be cycling tomorrow. So on with day 2 in the lakes. Not really a plan for today. I think catch you back up on day 3. Like I said, we're going from the campsite here. It's just north of Ambleside. What's it called?
Here?
Rydal Hall, is it?
Rydal.
Rydal Hall. So we're at Rydal Hall, and then we've got a bit of a mission to get to Oxendale tomorrow for the train.
Oxenholme, yeah.
Oxenholme, sorry. I don't know many places in the lakes. I just guess and go. So yeah, we're going to head to Oxenholme tomorrow, which is a fair distance.
Yeah.
Locals have warned us about the hills, so expect tears tomorrow. And
to be fair, we need to mention Rydal Hall as we really...
Oh, it's spot on, yeah, it's absolutely spot on, Rydal Hall.
The staff here have been...
We've got yurts and all sorts.
Yeah. Without a doubt, it's an absolute must.
Yeah, camping, yurts, stuff like that. As well, the Thorlint Wall back in Bowness. That's cracking pub. There's a bit of history behind that. If you're into that, have a look at that. Do with the blacksmith, and the pub was handing beers over to the blacksmith. I think I might become a blacksmith.
And we've without a doubt, to stay at Rydal Hall, you're definitely gifted with the view.
Yeah.
There's absolutely no doubt.
It's absolutely ridiculous.
So
we're going to head off now, get something to eat, have a few light refreshments, and then head back on tomorrow. So I'll see you in the morning when I'm nice and tired again, making up some breakfast in a bag. I might have a bit of a chat. back in sunny Wigan. Earlier than expected because this bracket's decided to loosen itself. So fix that tomorrow and then do it all again next weekend. Catch you later.